CFA Level 1 exam, are you preparing for it and are you worried about your low accuracy during practice? Then you have to watch this video. Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. My name is Tanishka and I hope you all are doing good. In today's video, I am gonna tell you how to deal with low accuracy during your CFA Level 1 exam prep time. So let's get straight to it. But before that, if you're new to this channel, then please take 1 second to hit the subscribe button. If you've ever liked my work even a teeny tiny bit, then please join the community by subscribing to the channel. And while you're at it, do not forget to hit the bell icon so that you're notified every time I post a new video. And for the very kind people who have already subscribed to the channel, thank you so much for joining me in my journey. I hope we stay together till the end of time. Okay, so before we get into how to deal with low accuracy, let me tell you a few important things. There are subjects जो आप immediately पढ़ के you understood the concept. In most cases, if you're attending classes specifically, you feel like yeah, I understood this concept very well, and then you sit to solve questions, particularly the institute questions. And there are subjects where instantly you score very well. You're like very nice, मैं तो बहुत अच्छा कर रही हूँ, I'm gonna pass CFA. And there are subjects where no matter how well you feel you've understood the concept, you don't score very high during practice, and that usually leaves us all a little bit demotivated. We start questioning ourselves, yeah, मैंने गलती कर दी, मुझे चैप्टर नहीं समझा होगा, something is wrong, I think I've not understood it, I think I should go back to it. Let me tell you one thing, this is a very normal phenomenon, right? कभी कोई चीज़ पढ़ के immediately execute हो जाता है, कभी कोई चीज़ पढ़ के immediately execute नहीं होता है. It's normal. Every time execution नहीं होता है या any time execution नहीं होता है doesn't mean that you immediately go run to redo the chapter. If you sit to do that, you will not be able to move forward and complete the syllabus, and by the end of it you will cry कि मेरा syllabus पूरा नहीं हुआ है. So that approach altogether is a no. Okay, how do you deal with this? First of all, the acceptance कि okay, I have understood the concept, I am lacking in execution. Let me explain this with an example. आप बचपन से अपने मॉम को मम्मा, मम्मी, माँ, अम्मी, whatever you're calling her that, right? And you know that she's my mom, even though whatever her name is. Suppose my mom's name is Usha, but I call her Mama. Okay? अब बचपन से ही there are other people who call her बुआ, मासी, बड़ी मम्मा, चाची. My dad will call her from her name, anything, right? Bahu, anything. She has multiple other names that she's been addressed with, right? अब जब मैं बहुत छोटी थी, like say 1 year old, I only knew her as Mama. So if somebody came and told me, this is my Masi, I would get agitated. No. She's my Mama, she's my Mama. I couldn't understand the concept or process the concept कि ये same इंसान है भाई, उसकी मासी मेरी मम्मा ही है, right? So similarly, but let me complete this, sorry. But as you hear more and more people over the years, अब जब मैं ऐसे एज पे आ गई हूँ, कोई मेरे को कॉल करके कहता है कि यार मासी को फ़ोन दे, आई गिव इट, क्योंकि अब आई नो कि अच्छा ये सेम पर्सन है. बट उसके लिए मैंने क्या दिया, थोड़ा सा टाइम. आई केप्ट सीइंग डिफरेंट पीपल कॉलिंग हर. आई डिडंट गो एंड रिवाइज मम्मा अगेन, आई डिडंट डू दैट, राइट? बट जितने लोग मेरे आसपास आके उसको अलग अलग नामों से बुलाते गए, दैट मेड मी मोर कंफर्टेबल. नाउ यूज दिस एग्जाम्पल इन योर CFA एग्जाम. आप जब एक कॉन्सेप्ट पढ़ते हो, आपको पता है कि वो कॉन्सेप्ट मम्मा है, थिंक ऑफ इट लाइक दैट, राइट? जब आप उसको एग्जीक्यूट करने जाते हो, जब आप क्वेश्चंस देखते हो, क्वेश्चंस कम फ्रॉम डिफरेंट एंगल्स. कोई मासी बोल रहा है, कोई बुआ बोल रहा है, कोई चाची बोल रहा है, कोई ताईजी बोल रहा है. देयर आर चांसेस कि इनिशियली आपको शॉक लगे कि ये क्या हो रहा है, एंड द एक्यूरेसी ड्रॉप्स. बट द मोर यू कीप सीइंग दिस क्वेश्चंस, different ways that question is being approached, you will get comfortable, and by the time you reach the exam, you'll be like, okay, I know how to deal with this question. पहले तो ये mindset रखो. Now, still accuracy is low. How to deal with it? Because I know it bothers all of us. First things first, like I said starting में ही, do not rush to redo the chapter, नहीं तो syllabus आगे नहीं बढ़ेगा. What you should do instead is spend time with the solution. सारे आंसर्स को वापस रीड करो, डिटेल में सोल्यूशन पढ़ो. ओके, व्हेन आई से डिटेल में, सपोज द सोल्यूशन वाज A इज करेक्ट, यू रीड ओके वाई A वाज करेक्ट. समझा, वेरी गुड. नहीं समझा, ओके, होल्ड. कंटिन्यू रीडिंग, वाई B वाज रॉन्ग, वाई C वाज रॉन्ग. ओनली व्हेन यू अंडरस्टैंड द होल थिंग, इवन इफ पहले आंसर गलत आया, बट इफ यू अंडरस्टूड द सोल्यूशन कि अच्छा ओके मुझे समझा ऐसे क्यों हुआ, द नेक्स्ट टाइम यू विल गेट बेटर एट इट. देन यू कीप प्रैक्टिसिंग. So basically the goal is do not practice blindly. आप जितना blind practice करोगे कि I'm just doing questions but accuracy नहीं बढ़ रहा, नहीं बढ़ेगा भाई. बिकॉज आपको सिर्फ कॉन्सेप्ट मम्मा पता है, कॉन्सेप्ट के अप्रोचेस अभी तक समझ नहीं आ रहे, इसलिए गलत जा रहे हैं. उसके लिए आपको सोल्यूशन पढ़ना पड़ेगा, आपको समझना पड़ेगा ओके this is what's happening, this is what's happening. The more you read the solution, the more you understand the solution, you'll see eventually your accuracy will increase. Now how to know that should we redo the chapter or no? When you're reading the solution, the thorough solution, suppose there are 10 questions and suppose आपके 10 के 10 गलत गए, 10 wrong questions, and after reading the solution 7 out of 10 you've understood, it's a good enough place to be. If 7 out of 10 solution ही नहीं समझ आएगा पढ़ के, then you definitely need to redo the chapter because that means concept मम्मा ही नहीं पता आपको कौन है, तो पहले वो पढ़ने जाना होगा. So the goal is spend time with the solution, right solution, wrong options also पूरा पढ़ो. If you're able to understand that, okay, give yourself a break, redo some questions, say the next day or the same day, you will see a difference. Keep doing this practice again and again and again. Don't expect results in just one कि अच्छा मैंने सुबह तो solution पढ़ लिए सारे तो मुझे शाम की accuracy बढ़ जाएगी. No, keep doing this constantly. By say a month you'll see the same chapter where you were scoring say 50%, वो धीरे धीरे 60% पे जाएगा, धीरे धीरे 70% पे जाएगा. And this is tried and tested. Try it out. Let me know if you have any more questions. Let me know if it works for you or what else works for you. I'd love to know. And if you like this particular video and want me to make more such videos, then don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe. I'll see you guys very, very soon. Until then, keep sparkling and definitely keep learning.